I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
This is a Polo Life. This is a 1 litre petrol manual, 80 PS, finished in a deep black pearl paint. This is your perfect city runaround. A great optional extra on this vehicle includes your front and rear parking sensors. This will support you with tight manoeuvres and help to keep your car nice and safe. We have the 15-inch S6 alloys, automatic headlight control with LED separate daytime running lights. And then we have your electric folding exterior mirrors. We have a generous boot space available considering the size of the vehicle. We have enough room to store your weekly shopping trips. The floor is variable so the height can be adjusted and the rear seats can be folded. We have a Hartley Thomas cloth upholstery offering both comfort and practicality with your ISOFIX points fitted as well as USB ports. Moving into the front of the car, we have your multifunction steering wheel and then we have your Hartley Thomas cloth followed into the front. We have plenty of manual adjustments available. Your multifunction steering wheel will allow you to control your car's media system. We have the adaptive cruise control, perfect for motorway driving. And then we can also customise your active information display. So here we can find all your key driver information and settings. In the centre we have your infotainment system displaying your full menu. Some great features include your DAB digital radio. We have your Bluetooth connectivity to pair your phone to the car, and we also have your app connection so you can stream your phone apps through Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. When popping the car into reverse, this is how your front and rear sensors will appear on the screen. And then we also have some fantastic driver's assistance. This includes your front assist, lane assist and your driver alert system. Just below we have your manually controlled air conditioning system. It's nice and simple to use, it's self-explanatory. And then we have 2 USB ports to charge media devices, your manual gear stick followed by your manual handbrake.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.